Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a simple setting related to mechanical. And if you have drawn a ductwork like this, and you'll be able to see a hidden line like this. Do you know where these settings are available? That's what we're going to see it. If you're not subscribed to BIMmodeler.com, do subscribe. We are making a simple tools and tips options related to Revit, and you'll be learning one thing at a time daily. And do let me know if you have any questions related to in the command. We'll be able to address that in a different tutorial. So how does it come? So this is coming from the mechanical settings where from the manage tab here. So what happens is that when you create any ductwork, create similar, and if it is overlapping with the other one, and automatically it will create a hidden line type based on that, the setting which is available here. Under the mechanical settings, you will be able to find the first setting as a hidden line. And if you don't need a hidden line, you'll be able to go ahead and say untick and you won't find hidden lines. There are many places in Revit creating the hidden line options are available. One of them is here. And do let me know if you know any other place that you see related to hidden lines and which controls the hidden line as well. So the line type is defined from the object style, line types, and which is coming, and we will be able to apply a different types also if it is needed. And what is inside gap, outside gap, single line, you can try out and you can let me know. Only one thing I will let you know. I will select OK, and you'll be able to find that the inside and outside line, you can see a gap here, and you can see a gap here. Where it starts and where it ends, that's what the settings are related to. Do let me know if you know about the other one. You can apply the value and you'll be able to find it, what relationship it makes. So with that, you'll be able to do it yourself as well. As I said, do subscribe, share it with the learning friends so that they also learn it. We are trying to make one simple thing at a time. With that, see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.